looked like you ran a race, David, or Jason, and you were at the end. Yeah. It's a jockey.
Yeah! Play in the mud.
Your skin's gonna be nice and soft.
Daddy's getting us now.
Look at your legs, Jason.
Just don't get it in your hair.
It's muddy.
Oh!
I got you on your leg.
Don't it? It's your hair.
No, don't throw it. You're going to have a
Mommy
hold on.
said wrestle in the mud.
Stacy, you're going to have it in your fingernails.
I don't care.
You ready to wash, for me to wash off?
No.
Don't grab your towel, no.
No.
Not your towel. You wait to get washed off.
There's a tissue.
You don't want him up in the mud. In here when there's mud.
Mud.
No, Stacy, don't throw the dirt.
It's mud. So mushy muddy.
You're going to have a great big hole there.
I don't care. I got a mud puddle, and I'm going to make a
People pay money to see that.
in the mud anymore.
Don't get in your hair.